Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to hide follower count on Snapchat, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're signed in with the account where your chat history and followers are saved. Step 2. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your main profile menu. Step 3. Now, scroll down a little and find the option called Public Profile. Tap on it to access your public settings. Step 4. At the top of your public profile page, you'll see a small pencil icon. Go ahead and tap that pencil to edit your profile details. Step 5. Inside this edit menu, look for the setting that says Show Follower Count. By default, this option is turned on and it shows your followers publicly. Step 6. To hide your follower count, just tap the toggle next to Show Follower Count. Once it turns gray, it means the setting is turned off and your follower count is now hidden. That's it. You've successfully learned how to hide follower count on Snapchat in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.